Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Windows, a trusted tool to recover lost or deleted data. Let's get started. First of all, what is Stellar Data Recovery Professional? Stellar Data Recovery Professional is a powerful data recovery software for Windows computers. It helps you recover files that were deleted by mistake, lost after formatting, system crash, or virus attack. You can recover documents, photos, videos, emails, and many other file types. The software is easy to use and works well for both beginners and professionals. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Quick scan and deep scan finds recently deleted and deeply lost files. Recover from formatted drives, works even after formatting. Supports many file types, photos, videos, documents, and more. Preview before recovery, check files before restoring. Recover from external devices, USB drives, SD cards, and external hard disks. Safe and read-only recovery, does not harm your original data. Simple interface, easy for anyone to use. So, who can benefit most from it? Stellar Data Recovery Professional is helpful for home users who deleted files by mistake, office workers with important documents, students and teachers, photographers and video editors, anyone who lost data due to formatting or system errors. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, Stellar Data Recovery Professional is safe to use. It is developed by Stellar, a well-known and trusted data recovery company. The software does not change or damage your existing data and keeps your privacy protected. Now, how to use it? Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install Stellar Data Recovery Professional on your Windows PC. Open the program and choose the type of data you want to recover. Select the drive or location where data was lost. Click Scan to start searching for lost files. After the scan, preview the files you need. Select the files and click Recover to save them to a safe location. That's it. Your lost data is restored easily. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete overview of Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Windows. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.